Hello, guys. Have a good time. I am Behan, and I am with you in the 8th Python language training session. In the previous session, I discussed the first part of the string data type, and in this session, we will also review the second part of the string data type. Well, let's go to the Visual Studio software and create a Python file. In the second part of the data string type analysis, we will discuss how to format a string and how to go to a specific index within a data string. Well, for example, I create a course name and course type variable. In the previous session, I taught you 3 methods for putting these variables together, and now I'm doing one of the same methods. Another method that is available for putting together is called formatting or string interpolation, and now we will go through how to write it together. As you can see, the two outputs have no difference and are the same. Well, this topic can also be used for numbers, and it can be used for mathematical operators, for which we will now do an example together. Well, let's go to the method of indexing, and to know what index is the numbering of string data, which means that every character that exists has a number of the same index. For example, the word BPTeX has 6 indexes starting from 0 and the last character, which is H, has an index number of 5, and in order to find the desired character, we put the index number between the brackets As you can see, the desired character is displayed correctly. Okay, we will finish this session, and in the next session, we will examine the conversion of different types of data to each other, and I will teach you about it. Until the next meeting, I hope you have a good day.